We started the week by bringing Manuel's family down to the ocean. It's been 2 years since the kids swam in salt water. It was special for us to watch them have such a good time.
How are you?
Well, we're starting a new trip today. First stop is the Peanut Cooperative. Viene la cacahuate. Oh, ajo. Okay, this is where they're separating and roasting. This is sesame seeds. Oh, there's a little store. Well, what do you think? How much alcohol's in that Jamaica liqueur? Let's say tahini, cacahuate peanut butter, marmalade of Jamaica, honey, and lots of different cookies. Oh, peanuts, seasoned peanuts. Oh, Jamaica. All right, now we've come out to El Sanctuario. It's a sanctuary for iguanas. Well, I guess this is how you get there. It's right beside the river. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, there's a few stairs down here. Wow, there's a big boy. Holy smokes. Oh, geez, look at them all. Oh, over here. Oh my God, there's iguanas everywhere. Oh, here they come. Oh, they're coming from everywhere. Oh, quiera come. Holy smokes. The older iguanas turn an orange color. They've got an orange belly. I can't believe how big they are. Wow. Holy. That's the most iguanas I have ever seen.
Cerca y pueda poder cargar la agua.
my word. Damn. Oh my goodness, Brenda, you're holding it. Holy smokes. It's almost like being in Jurassic World.
Yeah, that one there is about the size of the one we saw. That one.
Where are you guys going? Oh. Boy, we can sure climb. Oh, he's bobbing his head. Oh, I know, they have a whole bunch of turtles here. We're off to see what's in the cage over here. Oh no, my goodness. It's a boa constrictor. Whoa.
I don't know how to tell sex of snakes.
Hay
2,000 eggs, 2,000 huevos? 2,000 eggs, iguana eggs.
Wow.
Oh.
A veces la iguana, la cría la iguana para allá.
Okay. Now he's taking us over to a nursery.
Well, ours rolled off the pool table and then hit the ground.
Pet iguanas can live 15 to 20 years, but in the wild, they make it to around 8 years. These young iguanas are only a year old. Two of them. Way up there. Gosh, look at him climb. They just home in the trees. Next stop today is Tierra, Blanca. Oh, this is a beautiful place. And there's a few other palapas here. Huh. Living the life. Oh well, let's go down to the beach. Check it out. Few little cabins around here. ándale, ándale. On Thursday, we headed down to La Punta, near Tamarindo. We haven't spent much time down here, so we thought we'd check out a sunset. There are many more venues for music, so we thought we'd check out open mic.
Yeah, baby, and there is. It's gonna make me go to rehab, but I said no, no, no. Oh, but the weird and the wonderful. Oh, man, she's a man. She's gotta let you go. I'm all that soon, you know I read it in the magazine. Oh, Benny and the Jets.
Wow, wow.
It was fun spending time at the beach and visiting the peanut butter cooperative. The Iguana Sanctuary was amazing. We also did pretty well at Horseshoes. And after sunsets, there's nothing like listening to great music. Thanks for joining us on this week's adventures. See you on the next one.